Alright everyone, this is Gateway Star speaking. I'm all dressed up, I have a bow tie and everything. But that's not important right now. So Corpus successfully tested on WXK26, aka wireless Corpus. They successfully sent out the required weekly test, the warning alarm test signal, on WXK26. I have audio from the stream that I'm going to play back to y'all. So here we go.
Cyclone formation is not expected during the next 5 days. This is a test of the National Weather Service NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm System. This test is conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon local time, unless there is severe weather in the area, in which case the test is postponed until Thursday. Again, this is only a test. There is no severe weather in the area at this time. The tropical weather outlook.
So that over there was just your typical Corpus test, but wireless. That concludes this video. Thanks for watching and have a blessed day.